Hey Amazon Seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use product bundles on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're diving into a powerful strategy to boost your Amazon sales, product bundling. We'll also explore how to leverage Amazon's frequently bought together feature for generating bundle ideas. And here we go. Product bundling on Amazon involves combining related products into a single offering. This strategy not only enhances customer value, but also distinguishes your listings from competitors. Here's how you can effectively use product bundles. Firstly, identify products that naturally complement each other or solve a common customer problem when used together. For example, bundling a laptop with a laptop bag and a mouse can create a complete solution for tech-savvy customers. Secondly, highlight the benefits of purchasing the bundle. This could include cost savings compared to buying items individually, convenience, or a unique combination that's not available elsewhere. To gather ideas for your bundles, look at Amazon's frequently bought together section on product detail pages. This feature suggests complementary products that customers often purchase alongside the item they're viewing. It's a goldmine of ideas that can inspire your own bundles. When creating your bundle listings, ensure each item's value is clearly communicated through compelling imagery and detailed descriptions. Use keywords strategically to improve visibility in Amazon search results. Lastly, promote your bundles using Amazon's advertising tools like sponsored products to increase visibility. Consider running promotions or lightning deals to create urgency and encourage impulse purchases. By mastering product bundling and leveraging Amazon's frequently bought together insights, you can enhance customer satisfaction, boost sales, and grow your Amazon business. Stay tuned for more strategies on optimizing your Amazon seller performance. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.